Hi everyone, today is Friday, March 27th, and we are going to be doing math. Our objective for today is students will be able to subtract mixed numbers by building them. Obviously, we don't have fraction circles at home, so we can always just draw them. And our DOL is subtracting mixed numbers problems on pages 16 and 17. I made my anchor chart. And let's get started. Hopefully you can see everything. All right, so subtracting mixed numbers. 2 1/4 minus 3/4. I'm noticing right away that I can't take 3/4 away from 1/4. So I need to do something to my 2 1/4 to make this problem possible. So on my right side here, I have the 3 important steps you have to take in order to solve this type of problem. And step 1 is to rename. And we did this already in 4th grade, so this should serve as a review or a reminder that when we rename a mixed number, we take away from the whole, 1 away from the whole, so the 2 becomes a 1. But then we need to add that whole to our fraction pieces. So if we're working with fourths, a whole is 4/4. So 4/4 plus 1/4 equals 5/4. And now I'm able to subtract 1 5/4 minus 3/4. And remember, when we subtract mixed numbers, we always subtract the fraction pieces first. But before we even do that, we need to build our fractions. I almost forgot. So I have 1 whole. And then I have 5/4. Which is 4/4. Okay, and I'm going to take away step 3, 3/4. 1, 2, 3/4. Now I am left with 1 whole and 2/4. And we can always double check our drawings in our fraction circles by subtracting vertically. So 5/4 minus 3/4 is 2/4, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So we are right, and that's exactly how you rename and then solve a mixed number, subtracting mixed numbers. All right, now I'm going to do another example before we work independently in our packets today. Remember, if you don't have a packet, it is okay. I upload the packet worksheets every single day. So not having a packet is not an excuse to not do your work. Everyone is doing their work every single day. And for those of you who don't have packets at home, you are recording your answers in your notebooks that I had you bring home the day before we got sent home. Okay, so our next problem, which is also on page 16 in your worksheet, is 3 3/6 minus 1 5/6. So I'm noticing right away again, I cannot take 5/6 away from 3/6. 5/6 is bigger than 3/6. So I need to rename, step 1, my 3 3/6. So I'm taking 1 whole away from the 3. It becomes a 2. And then I'm adding that 1 whole to my fraction piece. So when we're working with 6, 1 whole is 6/6 plus 3/6 equals 9/6. Okay, so 2 and 9/6. And now I keep my bottom fraction the same, mixed number the same. So I renamed, and now I need to build. So I have 2 wholes, and then I have 9/6. So that's 6/6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we need to take away 1 whole and 5 sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm now left with 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sixths. And I'm going to double check my work by solving it vertically. So we built it and we took away. 9 sixths minus 5 sixths equals 4 sixths, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we did do that correctly. Now in your packets, you're working on pages 16 and 17. You're doing all the problems, and today's attendance post is, what is your favorite book? It can be a book you read in 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade so far, any book that you love. That's your attendance post today. I hope everyone has a fantastic Friday and an even better weekend. Please stay safe.